Today we're going to be using Varromed. We're going to give the bees a mite treatment again today. We give them the final stuff in September-ish. Give them the Apivar, but I haven't got any oxalic acid vaporizer thing. So I got this Varromed from Old Castle Farms. It says you can use it all year round, even like it doesn't affect the honey or nothing. But we're going to put it in now today while it's a little bit warm in January, and yeah, try and kill off any more mites. We've suited up, let's get into it. We just read, there's a little bottle. Here's the bottle of it. This is the Varromed, a little drippy bottle. I just read the instructions, and it says it is 15 ml for 7,000 bees, or 30 ml for, let me go check, 30 ml for 12,000 bees, and 45 ml for 30,000 bees, poured on top of the seams. So we'll get in and have a look. I imagine we'll be doing 15 ml on the little one, maybe 30 ml on the big one. So you just shake it up and pour it on the seams of bees. Now I would have been better off doing this when there was broodless, but you know, it is what it is. I got it now, so we'll give it a go, and let's get into it. I just took the lid off, and the feeder's jammed inside the lid, so that's not helpful. Let's get this sugar off. Hopefully these bees are not going to be too angry with me, and let's get it done. Well, there's the sugar off. There's loads of them, loads of little bees. This nuke's definitely going to make it through. Let's pour it on. I don't know, let's try 15 ml. There's measurements on the back. So I'll do 15 ml. We're at 510. Okay. And they're covering four frames. Well, fair play to these Black Mountain honeybees. They are not trying to eat me one bit. Just ripped the roof apart. Ripped the roof right off their house. So they're like, I'm just chilling, man. There's one dead bee stuck there in the sugar. What I can do for you, mate. Let's push them all down though. Sorry, bees. Five more mil. No, I think that'll do it. Let's get everything put back together then, and shut them up. Let's get into the big one. Lots of wax on the top of here. Can't remember leaving it like that. See if these ones are just as nice. Now these ones look like they're up into the sugar. They're not coming to eat me either though. They're chilling right out. They look like they've been into the honey. They definitely still got some stores down in there though. They look like they're eating the sugar. Take the sugar off, see if we got a run or no. Yes, they've been eating the sugar. Okay, much bigger nest. Oh, they're angry. Oh, they're trying to get me. Oh, they tried to get me. They tried to get me, the big ones. Oh, they're more numbers. They're like, more numbers. They're like, no, mate. Get out of my house. Not today. Just gotta remember that the suits work. Trying to eat me then. Right, just get it done. Thought one was in my suit then. Not gonna lie, I shit my pants. Thought he was in my suit, I smell the venom. He wasn't though. That's going. Oh, I swelled up huge last time I got stung. Let's get back into it. I've seen some people's videos where they open up their hive and they get battered, but 2 of them have tried to sting me, so that's not so bad. There's only a few. Let's get it done. There we go. We'll put 30 ml onto these. Hopefully the varroa load isn't too bad. But let's not take a chance, is it? I'm gonna get the lowest amount of varroa possible going into spring. Now they definitely got stores left. Here's a big frame of honey there that's still ready to go. A few more passes. They cover more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They got 6 frames that the nest is covering. So I'm happy with that. There we are, done. Let's get them back up then. Let's get them closed up. One slab. 2. Right, that's it. Happy days. Well, there we are, the Varromed. Seems pretty easy to use. Open it up, turn it upside down, tip it on. It's got a handy gauge on the side there, so you know how much to put in. Each one of them lines is 15 ml, like one application. So it says you can use it with 0 days, you know, like a 0 days limit, like it won't contaminate anything. So it's suitable for organic beekeeping, they say. So if you want to use it, you can use it in the spring, the autumn, summer. I've just used it now in the winter. I got this from Oldcastle Farms in Nice in Wales. So yeah, Varromed, happy days. Nice one. See you again. Like and subscribe.